Yeah, mad tattoos. But I ain't gonna lie. What?
Bro, why you got the boys on us like this?
Yo, during the YouTube video is crazy. Nah, this is good YouTube. You said what?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
How you every old shot, nigga? Who did you shoot? Bop you a bitch and you like 5'2". Back out the knocks and I'm ready to. Back out the knocks and I'm ready to. Ooh, OYOGs.
So what's the word? What's the word, y'all? What's the word? We about to do a little mukbang. We got some Chinese food. I ain't gonna lie. Real ghetto, my shit. I ain't gonna lie.
I know you ain't doing
Yeah. Oh my. Who got a? Oh my God.
What you mean?
Let me have that plastic bag. Yeah, see, this is what I needed to not make a mess. Watch me still drop this. Yeah, that's the best. Yeah, that's the best Chinese store. Cool. Damn, bro. So you really leaving us, bro?
When the fuck you leaving?
Tonight. Tonight, I'm spilling the beans.
Yo, bro, this nigga
Tonight,
here.
this nigga, yo.
Friday.
I'm thinking this nigga going in 2 days. This nigga leaving us tonight, y'all. How you feeling, bro? I feel good. I'm about to be a sergeant, y'all. I'm gonna go do my time, do what I need to do, take it on the chin, and come home good. Every time I come home, it's better. So imagine how I'm gonna come home next time. I mean, work. Let me tell y'all something. In life, whether you a nigga or a female, if you want to get money, if you want to be lit, sometimes you gotta do it by yourself and you gotta work, and that's it. Sometimes you gotta do that at home by yourself. That's a fact. Damn, bro. And I had to learn that shit the hard way. I ain't gonna lie, this is really the best Chinese store in the Bronx.
Yeah, #1.
Like I'm jacking it, like they got good eats, they nice.
Yo, look at nigga Ace, bro.
My nigga Tay, right?
Gang. What up? Chillin'?
Yo, my nigga Flag always the vibe with you.
Hello.
You golden?
I'm good.
I did have thought I just saw you over there.
Where?
It's a girl that looked just like
Bro,
you,
pull up
white
on us.
shirt, gray
What about you, Faye? What you been up to? You Gucci?
I'm Gucci. I start work again tomorrow. I'm looking for another job too. Hopefully I get to work for it tomorrow. Receptionist off the books to another one. Yeah, I need one of those, 18 an hour.
Receptionist?
Yeah,
Okay.
bro. I need, you feel me? Not in person. Like I have to do the computer work and shit. But bro, I'd rather that. Cause this winter, that's it. I had my fun this summer, low key.
This winter going hard.
Bro, I'm gonna go.
I feel like this winter, a lot of people gonna be hustling. I ain't gonna lie.
Was cause last winter, bro, you can't even ask favor. That's how it was, bro.
Yeah.
Every day
I
working.
feel like nobody gonna be outside this winter. Y'all already know I'm locked back in, yo. When this nigga leave, I'm locked back in.
Yeah, Pablo. Once
I'm locked
you leave,
back in.
Bro, over. Nobody's seeing Tay no more, bro. Like, niggas gonna call Taylor. What you doing? I'm streaming. Nigga, come outside.
I love outside, y'all. I'm addicted to it. I'm homeless.
This summer taught me a lot.
Yeah, I was about to say that. This summer taught me a lot.
It taught me a lot, bro. Like, a lot of good shit.
Girl, look at the camera. What? I told this nigga he was gonna learn a lot this summer. I did learned a lot. Ooh, good Hawaiian punch. I did learned a lot, I ain't gonna lie. So after overall summer recap, Elysium is the most popping spot in the Bronx right now. He's trolling. He's trolling. Good vlogs. Go catch the Toboga vlog for his birthday. Feel me? It's on my channel right now. You know the vibes, y'all. Miami vlog, that's out now. Y'all can check that out. By the time y'all watching this video, those videos is already out too. Dominican Day vlog, out. That shit was lit.
You already got that out?
Nah, but it's filming by the time this off, it's gonna be out.
Babe, we gotta do Fright Fest this year, bro. I'm not
Hell yeah.
Nothing, bro. Like, nothing on excuses.
Six Flags 100%.
Bro, they open up a new maze ride, bro. It's the Conjuring maze ride.
You know I never did Fright Fest ever in my life?
Yeah, lying.
Word?
Damn.
You never did Fright Fest?
That shit is fucking lit, bro. There was a time, nigga, we went like 7 cars deep, bro, to Six
They chase you and all that, bro. They be bugging out. They don't got a Six Flags out there? No.
That is?
No. I would think.
They have like a Disney World, right?
I went to Disney
I was about to say.
They got lit out there. It gotta be fire, the best rides. No cap. They got Universal Studios.
You in Japan, right?
Yeah.
Is it true they got that little Mario Kart shit that you could do in the street?
Yeah, they have it on my island. We did it. You gotta dress up as a character.
Yeah, I wanna do that shit.
Were you dressed up?
Yeah,
Who
you
you
gotta
dressed
wear a
up as?
onesie, nigga.
Luigi.
Tay got sweats on, bro. I feel like I never seen this nigga with sweats on.
Never.
Yo!
Never in my life.
Babe, you really got sweats on?
Yeah.
Bro, you like, I feel like I've never seen your ass with sweats on, bro.
For real? Yeah, I got some sweats on right now, you feel me? I told my child why I can't wear sweats. Nah, let me stop.
I see you walking up. I thought you had PJs at first.
And just say, yo, this nigga got on sweats. Yeah, I got the nice sweats on it, shit, you feel me? Oh, my lord. Oh, you still haven't even touched your fries yet? There you go.
Nah, this nigga Pablo
There
eating
you
like...
go, feel me?
They don't got Chinese food in Japan, y'all.
What?
Well, yeah, I was
Nah, yeah, of course, yeah.
that's what I was about to say. Like, I was
fucking
thinking
Japan,
that
right?
shit.
They don't have
Nigga,
this
you
type
go
of
to
Chinese
How they don't have Chinese food in China, yo?
Oh, Soho don't sell Chinese food like that.
Thank you.
They deadass have like
Cause I gotta tell this
real
dumb,
shit like
stupid
noodles
motherfucker.
and dumb shit like that, bro. Like they not selling no chicken. You can't go in there asking no for chicken when they gonna look at you like stupid. Yeah,
And they got some shit called Lawson.
I wanna try that bread.
And they got some shit called Family Mart.
I did it.
Yeah, they got tattoos. But I ain't gonna lie. What?
Bro, why you got the
what's up
boys
with
on
these
us like
niggas?
this? Like,
Hold on, let me move.
yo, no, they might
Here.
come to you.
Yo, what's up? Nah. Yo, during the YouTube video is crazy. Oh my god, nah. We over here making a YouTube video. What's up?
Oh, that's what's up, man. I seen you like the registration.
How we doing, guys? Good?
Yeah, chilling.
Appreciate you. You got the registration for the car?
Nah, this good YouTube.
You got the agreement or something?
It's over. Now y'all make my YouTube video go up. Just that word.
On YouTube?
Nah, it's gonna be on YouTube eventually. For me, making a mukbang.
Let me see
Eating some food.
agreement in there, bro.
You said what?
Tay.
Mukbang. Us eating in the car.
That's what they're doing on YouTube these days?
Yeah.
All right.
Isn't it?
Word.
Rental agreement?
Whatever you can for the views,
You
right?
got an idea?
Yeah. Me? Nah, I don't got my ID on me. Could look me up though.
I hopped out with the
They
van.
hopped out in the frenzy.
I should have made a
That's
scene.
not
I
even
should
a
have started.
sprint. They hopped out in the fucking.
I should have got out and started running. Y'all did y'all PT today? Did y'all go to the gym this morning?
He's trolling.
We gonna check right now, cause I'm like that. I can run. Nah, I'm playing.
Yo, I'm crying.
I'm playing, y'all.
Fast.
I'm fast. I run 2
My
miles.
boy
in 13 minutes.
fast.
Like how
Nah,
fast?
Nah, he
How
fast.
is he?
He fast. Like, I guarantee he probably faster than one of y'all, man. He definitely.
You might catch me.
I'm trolling.
I ain't gonna lie, he gonna catch me.
He gonna catch you.
No,
nigga.
him right here. I ain't gonna lie, give me the camera. I ain't gonna lie, he gonna catch me out of everybody.
Oh, man.
My son look like.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
How you every old shot, nigga? Who did you shoot? Bop you a bitch and you like 5'2". Back out the knocks and I'm ready to. Back out the knocks and I'm ready to. Ooh, OYOGs when we spin it through. Bullets stay hit him, knock him out his shoes. Tired of the talking, what is we gon' do? Tired of the talking, what is we gon' do?
So we can just find a parking.
I got you.
I'll bet y'all, I'll bet. We gonna go eat down there.
Appreciate you.
Thank you, appreciate
You know the vibes, you know the vibes.
Thank you,
TayyRom on YouTube, TayyRom. Yes, sir.
That's the nigga that went viral.
That's the nigga that
That went
said
viral TikTok. He was like, remember he was like,
he put up his
said-
sound view. Then he put
No,
up
it
his
was
sound
over
view.
here. That nigga was like,
Yeah,
this. That nigga
that was him. That was him. That's dead him.
Where's the cop that was
That's
dropping
dead
everything?
him. Yeah, that's dead him, bro. He's
That's
dead a
dead
dick
him.
sucker. Him and his friends dead dick suckers. Well, I said, he said he's faster. I guarantee he's faster than you. To the fat officer, yes, nigga.
What he said?
I was trolling them niggas, bro. You gotta watch the video. I'm trolling the whole time.
Bro, he faster.
I'm like, he's dead
dead
fast.
fast.
He's like, how fast is he? I said, he faster than him.
Fast.
Hey, yo, I ain't gonna lie, yo, that's the YouTube video, y'all. I appreciate everybody that was here. Feel me? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
This nigga started
Feel me?
panicking. Now he don't
Yeah,
wanna record no
fuck
more.
out of here. My shit is about to die. Y'all just heard me say that. Y'all know the fucking vibes, y'all. My man's going back tomorrow. Feel me? We gonna see y'all on stream. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Links in the description for my YouTube, for my Twitch, TikTok, all that extra shit. You know the vibes, y'all. Gra. You know the vibes, y'all. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. You know the vibes.
She wanna take a trip, I'm thinking foreign land. I wonder if this shorty love me way before the bands. Way before the likes and all them views that's on my Instagram. Way before them hoes was in my comments screaming you the man. She want that Van Cleef, she want that new Chanel. And not them bags that y'all bitches get off that buy and sell. Shorty was a hookah mommy, I'm gon' get her high as hell. Bougie baby, she gon' do her laundry in that YSL.